Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 23rd of January and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So pay your attention till the end. And to get PDF and the updates of all the videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you find the video useful, then don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with as many friends of yours as you can. Also don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the notification at the earliest. Let's begin now. Here's a question for the day which everyone has to answer in the comment section. The question is AS400 Triumph often in news is a AS400 Triumph क्या है? Let's see how many of you can answer it in the comment section. Let's begin now. The first question. Which Indian mathematician has been awarded the coveted 2021 Michael and Sheila Held Prize? तो माइकल एंड शीला हेल्ड प्राइज 2021 दिया गया है निखिल श्रीवास्तव को. यह एक इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन है. सो यह सी इज़ राइट आंसर. इनके अलावा दो और मैथमेटिशियन हैं जिन्हें अवार्ड दिया गया है. उनका नाम है डैनियल एलन स्पेलमैन हु इज़ फ्रॉम येल यूनिवर्सिटी और दूसरे हैं एडम मार्कस. और इन तीनों को क्यों दिया गया यह प्राइज़? फॉर सॉल्विंग लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑन द रामानुजन graphs and Cadison-Singer problem. The announcement of the winner was made by the National Academy of Sciences, and at present Nikhil Srivastava is an associate professor of mathematics at the University of California. Next question now. Abell 370 ये क्या है? तो Abell 370 is cluster of galaxy. So here C is right answer. नासा ने हाल ही में इसे पिक्चर किया है एबेल 370 को. इट इज़ अ क्लस्टर ऑफ गैलेक्सीज एंड द इमेज वॉज शेयर्ड ऑन द ऑफिशियल इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट ऑफ द नासा हबल टेलीस्कोप. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी एंड स्टेट पीसीएस एग्जामिनेशंस फॉर 2021 देन यू कैन ज्वाइन एंड टेक एडमिशन इन आवर कोर्स. द फी फॉर दिस कोर्स इज जस्ट ₹2499. The link for subscription to this course have been provided below in the comment section as well as in the description box of the video. Entire syllabus for UPSC and PCS will be completed within this much, and if you have financial issues then you can pay it in 2 installments, and after payment or subscribing to this course you have to send your confirmation here at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. Okay, let's move ahead now. Also, if you want to enroll or learn economy with full conceptual clarity, then you can enroll in this batch. But this is not for those who have already enrolled into this course. This is only for those who have not enrolled here. So entire economy will be completed within this much, and after subscribing to this course for economy you have to send your confirmation here at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. Remember, this course for economy will be helpful for UPSC aspirants, for PCS level aspirants, and those who are going to appear in EPFO examination. Again, the link for subscription have been provided below in the comment section and in the description box of the video. Next question now. Which company has announced that the Project Loon is being shut down? तो Project Loon एक्चुअली गूगल की एक पेरेंट कंपनी थी अल्फ़ाबेट, वो स्टार्ट करी थी टू प्रोवाइड इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी टू रिमोट एरियाज़, लेकिन अब इसे बंद कर दिया गया है. सो यह ए इज़ द राइट आंसर. क्यों बंद किया गया है? क्योंकि अल्फ़ाबेट ने यह कहा है कि प्रोजेक्ट लून हैज़ फेल्ड टू ब्रिंग डाउन द कॉस्ट. दैट इज़ वाई दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू डिसकंटिन्यू दिस ऑपरेशन, एंड इट्स पर्पज वाज टू प्रोवाइड इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी टू रिमोट एरियाज थ्रू helium balloons in the stratosphere. Okay, they may ask you that which gas was to be used under this project Loon. So it was helium. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, in short called as SAW. Let's see. SAW stands for Smart Anti-Airfield Weapon, and it is an indigenous weapon developed by DRDO. This is correct. It has been developed by Research Center Emarat RCI of DRDO. The weapon was test fired from Hawkeye aircraft off the coast of Odisha. This is also correct. So here C is the right answer. The Hawkeye platform is owned by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it is being considerably used for the certification of weapons and systems indigenously developed by CSIR labs and DRDO. The SAW is a precision strike weapon that is launched from an aircraft, and it is a strike weapon of 125 kg category. It is used to attack and destroy enemy airfield assets like bunkers, radars, runways, taxi trucks within a range of 100 km. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, किस स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने हाल ही में अवलोकन सॉफ्टवेयर लॉन्च किया है? सो अवलोकन सॉफ्टवेयर हैव बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय द स्टेट ऑफ कर्नाटका. सो ये बी इज द राइट आंसर. कर्नाटक के चीफ मिनिस्टर BS येदुरप्पा हैज लॉन्च्ड इट टू इनेबल गवर्नमेंट to access data on sanctions and expenditures incurred by 39 departments on 1800 programs implemented by these departments. Next question now. इनमें से कौन सी वो कंट्री है जो ब्लैक सी के साथ बॉर्डर शेयर नहीं करती है? सो ईरान डज नॉट शेयर बॉर्डर विथ ब्लैक सी. विच आर द कंट्रीज विच शेयर बॉर्डर विथ ब्लैक सी? दीज आर द 6 countries. Let's see in the map. It share boundary with Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia and Georgia. I repeat it once again. Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia and Turkey. All these countries share border with Black Sea. Okay, let's move ahead now. But before that, if you have found the video useful till now, don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive the notification of all the latest important videos. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, किस स्टेट ने इंडिया इनोवेशन इंडेक्स 2020 में टॉप किया है? तो ये क्वेश्चन हमने ऑलरेडी लास्ट डे देख लिया था जिसका आंसर था कर्नाटका. बट वी हैव सम मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन हियर. कर्नाटका रिटेन्ड टॉप स्पॉट फॉलोड बाय महाराष्ट्र एंड देन फॉलोड बाय तमिलनाडु एट द थर्ड स्पॉट. बट बिहार वॉज रैंक्ड लास्ट इन द इंडेक्स with a score of 14.5. While in category of northeastern and hilly states, Himachal Pradesh topped, while Meghalaya was ranked last with a score of 12.15. Remember, in major states, it was Bihar which was at the bottom. Among the category of northeastern or hilly states, it was Meghalaya which was at the bottom. Among the category of union territories, it is Lakshadweep which is at the bottom with a score of 11.71. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, हु हैज़ बीन गिवन द एडिशनल चार्ज ऑफ आयुष मिनिस्ट्री? तो किरण रिजिजू को आयुष मिनिस्ट्री का भी चार्ज अभी के लिए दिया गया है. सो यस, सी इज राइट आंसर. दिस फॉलोज द हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ आयुष मिनिस्टर श्रीपद नायक फॉलोइंग अ सेवर रोड एक्सीडेंट. तो बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट उनका रोड एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, जो कि आयुष मिनिस्टर थे. होपफुली अगर वो ठीक हो जाए तो उनके बाद फिर उन्हें कार्यभार दे दिया जाएगा. Next question now. Which state has drafted a plan for Konark Temple's beautification work? So it is state of Odisha. So here B is right answer. Odisha government ने January 21st को announce किया that it will undertake a heritage project for beautification of famous Konark Sun Temple and the development of its periphery. So I hope you have found the video useful. Do like and do share the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.